Hello everyone, welcome to Human Genetics. I am Dr. Engohang-Ndong. I will be your instructor for the next 17 weeks going over human genetics. This course will be divided into 4 modules. Each module is going to have a particular emphasis. The first module will focus on an introduction to human genetics and human reproduction and aging. The second module will cover the pattern of genetic inheritance. The third module will dive more at a molecular level. It will dive into DNA and gene expression. And the last module, the fourth module, will look into chromosomes, genomics, immunity, and cancer. Now, each module is going to contain a number of activities. You're going to see in one of the pages in each module lecture PowerPoint presentations that are for you to use as you will. Along with the page containing lecture PowerPoint presentations, you are going to have another page that is going to contain lecture videos for each of the chapter we are going to cover in a given module. You will have reading assignment for each of the chapter and homework. Now, the homework, you have to turn them in for a grade. Please pay attention to the due date. Each module is going to contain 2 discussion forums. One discussion forum that is going to be due midway during the module, and the second discussion forum that is going to be due at the end of the module to wrap the entire module. Each discussion forum has a rubric. I want you to pay close attention to the rubric. That rubric guides you as to how to contribute the most during our discussion forum. Pay close attention to the timing of the main post. Be engaged in interacting with other students. So it is not just enough to come and post your main contribution. You will also have to react to what your classmates have to say. Now, understand and know that you are not going to be able to see your classmates' contribution if you have not first and foremost posted your initial contribution, right? Posting your initial contribution open doors for you to see what other students have contributed and to react to what they have contributed. Now, in terms of engaging with other students, you are not just expected to react to what other students have said, you are also expected to respond to what other students have said about your own post, right? Remember, this is a discussion, right? And a discussion goes both ways, right? Not one way. Now, as you are reading these rubrics, again, get yourself familiarized with what you should do to make the most out of the discussion. Then each module is going to have a quiz. That quiz will prepare you for the exam. And the exam is going to conclude the module. So, in a nutshell, this is basically how this course is going to be structured. Beyond that, I would like you to feel welcome. I would like you to feel welcome in this course, in this class. We are a community. This is your community. What you say and what you think matters to us, matters to me. Now, we have to do things in a respectful manner, right? So, while we are welcome and open to say what we have in our mind, it is also our responsibility to do that with respect toward each other so that we can really evolve in a thriving environment. I want you to thrive. I want each of you to thrive. So creating that environment that is going to cause each other to feel welcome and to feel counted is very important. So my hope and my wish is that you feel in this course like this is your community, because it is, right? I want you to be able to reach out to me for any question you may have. If you have not heard from me within 48 hours, please take the time to reach out to me again, because it is a fact that I do receive tons of emails. Sometimes emails, even when they are important, they get lost in the midst of all the emails that we receive. So do not be shy and follow up and ask Dr. Jean, I sent you a message yesterday or the day before yesterday. I have not heard from you. Can you please look into my question or my request? I can guarantee you, I guarantee you that I will do my very best to address your question, to accommodate you as needed. So please, do not be shy. Reach out to me and I will do my very best to meet you where you are. My goal is to help you become successful. Now, for that, we will have to work hand in hand. So what you have to say is important to me, right? Your observations are very important to me. Your feedback are very important to me. So please feel free to reach out to me. I'm looking forward to spending the next 17 weeks with you. And I wish all of us as a community the best time ever. Welcome to Human Genetics class.